Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how the various types of activities can be created within the Leads app. Once the user has navigated to the Leads app, he or she can select the required lead. The lead details page is then displayed. The activities can be listed by clicking on the Activities tab. There are 5 types of activities that can be created. In order to create a new meeting, click on the plus sign and select the New Meeting button. The Create Meeting form appears. Fill in the required details and submit in order to create a new meeting. Similarly, the same procedure can be followed in order to create a new call log. This section, called the Associations option, can be used to log this call to integrated contacts, leads, and opportunities. Once done, the associations also receive the created call log. Similarly, once done, click Submit and the call is logged. Similarly, the same procedure can be followed in order to create a new task. The task can be assigned to any stakeholder and he or she will be notified the same. The Adapt Template function will be covered in a later video. A new mail can also be created similarly. Once all the fields are filled, the Create button can be clicked. This is how the activity creation works within the Leads app. Thank you for watching.